Welcome back to our channel.
The GMC Sierra AT4 has always been a top choice for a premium, adventure-ready truck. But in a crowded market, is it still a contender? For 2026, GMC is sticking to a proven formula, focusing on the strengths that made this truck a favorite. Let's break down the key features of the 2026 Sierra AT4 and see how it holds up. Welcome back. Today we're looking at the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. This isn't a major redesign, but a refinement of its rugged capability and premium tech. We'll cover the tough exterior, the tech-filled cabin, and the powerful engines that make this truck a beast. On the outside, the 2026 AT4 carries over its bold design, with distinct C-shaped LED headlights and an assertive grille. The AT4 trim adds aggressive touches like the signature red recovery hooks. What really sets it apart is the commanding stance, thanks to a standard factory-installed 2-inch suspension lift for serious ground clearance. It rides on an off-road tuned suspension with Rancho monotube shocks and rugged Goodyear tires on 18-inch wheels. Around back, the main event is still the highly versatile MultiPro Tailgate. Under the hood, the AT4 offers a choice of two impressive engines. The headliner is the 3.0-liter Duramax Turbo Diesel with 305 horsepower and a massive 495 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic, it's great for low-speed crawling and is known for efficiency. For those wanting classic V8 power, a 420 horsepower, 6.2-liter V8 is also available, while a Sierra 1500 can be configured to tow up to 13,300 pounds. A diesel AT4 typically lands around 9,000 pounds, but always check the specific rating. For off-road duty, you get a 2-speed auto-track transfer case and full underbody skid plates. Inside, the AT4 merges ruggedness with premium comfort, featuring a distinct jet black interior with Kalahari accents. The perforated leather front seats are both heated and ventilated. In front of the driver is a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and an available 15-inch head-up display that projects key info onto the windshield. The centerpiece is the 13.4-inch infotainment system with Google built in, plus wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Super Cruise, GM's hands-free driving technology, is also available, and with up to 14 available camera views, maneuvering this big truck or hitching a trailer is made much easier. So, the verdict on the 2026 Sierra 1500 AT4? By sticking with a proven formula, GMC delivers a fantastic blend of class-leading tech, powerful engines, and real off-road credibility. For the buyer wanting a premium pickup for weekend adventures that's still comfortable for daily driving, the AT4 is the sweet spot. While the AT4X exists for the most hardcore users, for most people, the standard AT4 is more than enough truck. What are your thoughts on the 2026 AT4? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more truck reviews. Thanks for watching.